Bill Goudy checking in. Cheers. Oh, I have earned that. I have. It's been a beautiful day. Got a lot of work done. Raking and chainsawing and yeah, cleaning up the campsite here a lot. Yeah, I'm trimming some branches that the wind has blown down. It's been a long winter. It really has. We're going to have this year's Deer Brats. We got them out of the freezer, and they're going to give them a try. We'll put them on. You know, I haven't found a hot dog, sprouted grain hot dog bun yet. They make them. I find them online, but I haven't found them in my travels. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut those up and put them on a sprouted grain Ezekiel bun, hamburger bun. Yeah, it'll work. I'll get the same flavor. And I think I'll use some of that. I like that stone ground mustard, so I think I'm going to put some of that hot mustard on there too. Some Brussels sprouts. I'm going to use Debbie Holland's steamer to steam them Brussels sprouts to perfection. I got the Brussels sprouts at Trader Joe's. You know, Brussels sprouts got a few carbs in them. I think there's 8 grams of carbs, and but there's 10 grams in a bush. So I get hungry for Brussels sprouts, and it's been a while since I've had them. But yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Join me, will you? Let's get to cooking, shall we? While that's cooking, I got a mail call today. Fireside coffee, I think. Got a sticker, put it on the refrigerator already. Check this out. Thanks, sir. I'll put a link to him down below. Get over there and check him out. Yeah, we're cooking along. It'll take just a little bit. Those Brussels sprouts were frozen, so bring that up to temperature. I'm still hauling water in. I don't want to. I don't know. You know, I could probably turn it on now, but I'll wait maybe another couple of weeks before I turn it on for good, and I don't have to worry about it freezing hard. I mean, they're forecasting some snow, so who knows? Who knows? Can you see in there? Can you see the goodness? They're steaming right along. But I think just a little bit. Yeah, I need a little bit longer. They're warm, but they're not hot. Can you see that? Look at the steamy goodness. Let's dig into that, shall we? This is what I did. Oh, look at that. Stone ground mustard. I cut those up in, that's just one brat. I cut it in half, quartered it is what I did, and then I stacked it with cheese and that hot mustard. I am so hungry. I just want to dig in. Look at that goodness. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Big Bad Brad did good. That's a nice buck. The brats turned out nice. They really did. Let's dig into this. Mm. Steamed just right. Mm. I've been hungry for those. Why? I don't know. Yeah. I'm still using that Kraft blue cheese dressing. And when I get rid of that, I'll switch over to the cans again. I got some on standby. I sure do. Mm-hmm. Got a napkin this time. Man, this is good. I'm going to eat this. I'm going to enjoy that sunset. I'm going to crash out. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. We'll see. If it doesn't, I got a lot of work. I got a lot of work planned. If it does, we'll do plan B. Thank you for watching. I sure appreciate it. Bill Goudy out.